Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of one of the ocean's most intelligent and mysterious creatures, the octopus. With its 8 incredibly agile arms, an almost supernatural ability to change color and texture, and a brain that challenges everything we thought we knew about animal intelligence, the octopus is a true marvel of nature. But before we uncover its most surprising secrets, picture this: you're diving on a coral reef, the water is crystal clear, and everything seems peaceful. Suddenly, something moves, and what looked like a lifeless rock springs to life, a camouflaged octopus, almost invisible, which you would never have noticed if you hadn't been paying attention. Amazing, isn't it? Now, let's understand how they do it. Octopuses have special cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can expand or contract, allowing them to change color in a fraction of a second. But that's not all. They also have leucophores and iridophores, which help reflect light and create shimmering or pearly effects. This combination is so sophisticated that scientists study octopuses to develop technologies like camouflage clothing and flexible displays. Moreover, an octopus's camouflage isn't just for hiding from predators but also for sneaking up on prey without being noticed. Imagine a hunter so skilled it can disguise itself as part of the scenery while planning its next move. But camouflage is just the beginning. An octopus's brain is something that defies our understanding. They have around 500 million neurons, which might seem small compared to a human brain, but here's the incredible detail: more than 2/3 of these neurons are distributed in their arms. This means each arm has some autonomy to perform tasks like exploring environments, opening shells, or manipulating objects. Experiments show that even when detached from the body, an octopus's arms continue to respond to stimuli and perform complex movements. Think of it as having 8 highly intelligent mini-robots, all connected to a central brain that coordinates them. And speaking of intelligence, octopuses are true masters of problem-solving. They can open jars to retrieve food, escape from sealed aquariums, and even manipulate tools. In one famous experiment, an octopus named Otto was observed squirting water at a light bulb to turn it off, likely because the light was bothering him. Another well-known case is Inky, an octopus in New Zealand who escaped from an aquarium by slipping through a drainage pipe and returning to the ocean. These stories aren't just curious anecdotes. They demonstrate how these animals possess remarkable adaptability and behavior that goes beyond basic instinct. Additionally, octopuses are highly sensitive to their environment. They can detect chemical changes in the water, which helps them identify predators or prey. Their eyes are also incredibly advanced, capable of detecting light polarization, something humans can't do. This gives them a significant advantage in underwater environments, where light is limited, and colors can be distorted. Imagine seeing the world in a completely different way, noticing details invisible to most creatures. Another fascinating aspect is the reproductive behavior of octopuses. When it's time to mate, the male uses one of its arms, called a hectocotylus, to transfer sperm to the female. After this, both the male and female face a tragic fate. The male usually dies shortly after mating, while the female devotes her remaining energy to protecting her eggs until they hatch, before also succumbing. This short but incredibly intense life cycle is part of what makes octopuses so enigmatic. And let's not forget the octopus's ability to release ink as a defense mechanism. When threatened, they expel a cloud of ink that confuses predators and gives them time to escape. But the ink isn't just a visual distraction. It also contains chemical compounds that can irritate a predator's senses, making it an incredibly effective multifunctional weapon. Finally, octopuses have held a significant place in human culture. From ancient legends depicting them as massive sea monsters to their modern-day appearances in films and literature, they have always captured our imagination. And it's no wonder. With their extraordinary abilities, they remind us of just how diverse and mysterious life on Earth truly is. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? That's right. Two of these hearts pump blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the third heart circulates the oxygenated blood through the rest of the body. Interestingly, when the octopus is swimming, this third heart pauses, prioritizing energy for movement. This explains why they tend to crawl rather than swim, conserving energy for critical activities like hunting or escaping predators. Another fascinating fact is their ability to regenerate. If an arm is lost or damaged, it can grow back, much like a starfish. Even more impressive, the regenerated arm is fully functional, complete with its network of neurons. It's as if the octopus has an inbuilt system restore function, which scientists are studying for insights that could benefit human medicine. Octopuses also have intriguing relationships with other marine creatures. In some parts of the world, they form temporary hunting partnerships with fish, working together to maximize their chances of success. For instance, while the octopus searches through crevices for prey, fish surround the area, ensuring nothing escapes. This cooperation is rare in the animal kingdom and highlights the octopus's adaptability and problem-solving skills. When it comes to cognitive abilities, octopuses display remarkable memories. They can recall locations where they've found food or encountered danger, allowing them to navigate efficiently in their underwater territories. Even more astonishing is their ability to recognize individual humans. In aquariums, many octopuses seem to develop preferences for certain caretakers, showing more positive interactions with some while avoiding others. Their interactions with the environment are equally impressive. Octopuses use tools creatively, such as collecting shells or pieces of coral to construct shelters or defend against predators. This ability to use tools is a hallmark of intelligence rarely seen outside the primate world. Recent studies even suggest that octopuses might possess a rudimentary form of consciousness. They display behaviors indicative of self-awareness, such as playing with objects and showing curiosity-like responses to new stimuli. These findings raise fascinating questions about the nature of consciousness and how it might have evolved independently across different branches of life. Lastly, we can't overlook the ecological importance of octopuses. As top predators in many marine ecosystems, they play a key role in regulating populations of other species, helping maintain ecological balance. At the same time, they are a crucial food source for larger marine animals like sharks and dolphins. This central role in the food web highlights the importance of conserving octopus populations.